Hey everyone, today we're taking a real, honest look at Fidelity Investments, one of the biggest investment platforms out there, and specifically its mobile app experience for managing your money on the go. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to track your investments, trade stocks, or plan for retirement right from your phone, this breakdown will walk you through what works well and what you should know before diving in. When you open the Fidelity app, the first thing you'll notice is how comprehensive and detailed the dashboard is. You get a clear snapshot of your entire financial picture, including your stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, IRAs, 401ks, and any other accounts you have linked. You can see real-time values, performance charts, and recent activity right away. For many users, that unified view is one of the biggest strengths because all of your investment info is in one place rather than spread out across different services. One of the best parts of Fidelity's app is how powerful the tools are for active investors. You can easily research stocks or funds with detailed data, charts, analyst ratings, earnings info, and news tied directly to the assets you're interested in. The app also lets you place trades, set alerts, and customize watch lists so you can follow opportunities without needing a desktop. Whether you're a beginner or a more seasoned investor, the range of tools feels robust enough to support a wide variety of strategies. For people focused on long-term goals, the planning and retirement features are worth highlighting. You can model scenarios, check your estimated retirement income, monitor how your contributions impact growth over time, and access educational resources that explain complex topics in a way that's easier to digest. If you're saving for retirement, college, or another big milestone, having these insights directly in the app helps you stay on track and feel more confident about your strategy. The app also includes alerts and notifications to help you stay informed. Price movements, dividends, upcoming earnings, and account changes all ping your phone so you're not left in the dark. That kind of real-time info matters when markets are moving quickly. Of course, Fidelity isn't perfect. One of the most common pieces of feedback from users is that the app can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to investing. There's a lot to explore: research tabs, multiple chart tools, screening filters, and reporting metrics, and it can take a bit of time to learn where everything is if you're not used to investing platforms. This isn't a criticism so much as something to be aware of. The power and depth of the app come with a learning curve. Another consideration is that while trading and investing are seamless, some advanced features, like deep technical analysis tools or certain complex orders, may still be easier to use on the desktop platform. But for most everyday investors, the app handles all essential tasks from checking balances to making trades very well. Overall, Fidelity Investments gives you a strong mix of depth and accessibility. You get professional-grade data, real-time performance tracking, planning tools for long-term goals, and a unified view of multiple accounts in one place. Whether you're just starting your first investment or you're managing a complex portfolio, it's a reliable and capable mobile experience. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what investment or finance tool you want reviewed next.